I tested 3 AI tools to see if any of them can actually make money, and honestly, 2 of them were a complete waste of time. So instead of just listing tools like everyone else, I tried using them in a real money-making situation. Here's what happened. First, I tried copy.ai. Copy.ai helps you write content fast, like ads, emails, product descriptions, and blog posts. So I tried using it to create content that I could sell as a freelance service. At first, it looked useful. The content was quick, clean, and easy to generate. But then I realized the problem. Anyone can create the same type of content in seconds. There is nothing unique about it. And most clients will not pay much for basic AI written text anymore. So for beginners trying to make money, Copy AI is not the best option. It can help you write faster, but it will not easily make you money by itself. Then I tried Pictory AI. Pictory turns text into videos automatically. That sounds powerful, especially if you want to create faceless videos. So I tested it by turning a short script into a video. The process was simple, but the final result felt very generic. The visuals looked basic, the pacing was not strong, and it still needed a lot of manual editing to look professional. The biggest problem is this. If you do not already have clients, an audience, or a strong content idea, Pictory alone will not make you money. It can save time, but it is not a complete business. So for beginners, I would not call this a money-making tool. But the third tool actually surprised me. The third tool was Canva, and this one made the most sense. I used Canva's AI features to create designs that people already pay for. Things like YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, business flyers, simple logos, and digital templates. This was different, because with Canva, you are not just generating random content. You can create something useful for a specific person or business. A small business needs Instagram posts. A YouTuber needs thumbnails. A freelancer needs a clean portfolio. And many people do not want to design these things themselves. That is where Canva becomes useful. You can create simple design packages and sell them on Fiverr, Etsy, or directly to small businesses. Is it instant money? No. But out of the 3 tools, Canva has the most realistic money-making potential for beginners. It is easy to learn, it is fast to use, and the final product is something people can actually buy. So here is my honest verdict. Copy.ai can help with writing, but it is too easy to copy. Pictory AI can help with videos, but the results still need a lot of editing. Canva is the only one I would actually use to start making money. So out of the 3 AI tools I tested, only one actually worked. The other 2 are useful, but they are not enough on their own. If you want to try the tools yourself, I have linked them in the description.